I'd like to move that Bill 30, Investing in a Diversified Alberta Economy Act, be amended in Section 56(1), subsection E, as follows, by striking out primarily for and by striking out subclauses I and II. Madam Chair, this amendment is similar in nature to my last amendment in that it seeks to expand the scope, this time of the Capital Investment Tax Credit Program. Again, by expanding this program outside of an extremely narrow scope of industries, recognizing that there is some ability for the minister to expand that at his own discretion, our caucus feels this program would be better positioned for success with a very broad scope of applicability. As we know, capital investment is a key component of any successful economy. We should be doing so at really anywhere and everywhere in our power to attract any and all kinds of capital investment to the province, especially given our current fiscal climate. And as I often say, it's very hard to create any job until a dollar of capital is invested, and we need to encourage those at every turn. Of course, we've seen this government investing billions and billions of dollars into infrastructure spending for that very reason, to stimulate the economy, to create jobs, both short-term and long-term, and we believe that this principle carries through with the expansion of the scope of the Capital Investor Tax Credit Program. Again, if you truly believe that that the stimulus is something that actually works by investing that capital, it would make sense to improve Alberta's attractiveness for any type of capital investment as a way to stimulate the economy through the private sector. There are many people sitting on the sidelines or cautiously waiting for something to happen, and maybe such an opportunity with this capital investor tax credit, that might be what will take some of the money off the sidelines and put it to work for those companies and, more importantly, for Albertans. Madam Chair, I applaud the minister for bringing forward this program. I do wish, however, that he had not limited the potential success, which we've heard may not be as limited as it is, but it has been positioned that way, and perception is reality. So let's take this opportunity to expand that program, not only here in the words of the legislation, but in terms of spreading that word out to Albertans, so that it's not viewed as being a few hand-picked industries, and that it is accessible to all Albertans who wish to invest, again, those dollars that may be sitting on the sidelines or which may be in the hands of people looking to invest, catching the bottom of the market and helping us to climb out of it. Madam Chair, by expanding the scope of this program, I think we would be able to expand that success, and I would encourage the minister and all the members on that side to consider that this is an opportunity to take a really good, solid piece of legislation, expand the scope, and Madam Chair, the worst that can happen is that people actually react to it, they invest, and we create some jobs in this province. I therefore encourage all members to vote for this amendment in support of creating jobs for Albertans. Thank you.